Edka mavara riche balalong
La 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 la. Baba, little sheep, so kind and sweet. In the light of Allah we find our seed. Praying to Him 5 times a day, guided by the faith in our own special way. La 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 la. La 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 la. Share what you have with those in need. Allah blessed us, you and me. Blessed in the clothes and the food that we eat. Pleasing Allah is all that you need. La 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 la. Baba, little sheep, in the mosque we pray. Kindness and goodness lighting our way. One for respect and one for a friend. Being a good Muslim from start to end. We love Allah, His words are true. Be kind to the poor and the helpless too. One for the orphan and one for the poor. Kindness is the key that opens every door. Baba, little sheep with face so bright, spreading love and joy, morning and night. One for mom and one for dad. Being a good child makes us glad. La 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 la. Baba, little sheep, so kind and sweet. In the light of Allah we find our seed. Praying to Him 5 times a day, guided by faith in our own special way.